everybody's kind of going on their own path, and whatever path you're on, you just gotta make the best of it. Okay, what's up everybody? Good morning. It's day 39. I'm gonna just head directly to the office. I woke up, I skipped training because I'm super sore. Just rested. Anyway, I'm gonna head directly to the office. My laptop is dead, my office laptop. I don't have my charger, so I can't check on any of my meetings. So I'm just gonna head directly to the office. I'll take the cold shower in the evening. I'm just getting ready real quick, putting my shirt and pant and heading straight there. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. See you. Hello everybody. Good evening. It is 5:11. We finished work. We're heading to the shop. Get some stuff done. It was a productive day despite kind of rushing the office to figure out when my meetings are. I still haven't showered. I want to take a cold shower when we get back, followed by a nice hot cup of chai. I'm gonna stop by the Indian store right now, pick up a little bit of snacks and goodies. Overall good day. I mean, right now the main goal for me is to figure out all of my personal stuff that's taken up and sucking a whole bunch of time. So all the marriage paperwork and setting that up, just getting that done, and then my fiance's immigration stuff, getting that done, because getting all the paperwork together, and then just emailing and getting more orders. So I think today what I'll do is just send out a whole bunch of emails today, spend that time. We delivered one order today, which is good. We're gonna get a couple more, hopefully. Yeah, I mean, it's just super slow right now. It's coming towards the end of January. I think things are gonna start picking up, but I'm kind of prepared for if they don't. I mean, I have enough runway to keep my machinist on and pay him for about a month to 2 months if we get zero work. Now that my expenses are being reduced as well, I'll be fine. And then I'll get a refund from taxes because my business posted a loss. And on top of that, I'll get a bonus from work. So I think I'll be good until about April to get like nothing, which would be really shitty if I got no orders until April, because I'm really trying hard to market the company as much as I can without blowing money. I mean, I don't want to keep spending like $300, $400 a month on marketing expenses and they're not returning me anything, which is kind of shitty. So I guess I'm just gonna limit my marketing expenses to being free, FRE, and then let's see what I can do. So obviously the videos are gonna be one of them. Instagram, Facebook posting, starting up Amazon, all the stores. Yeah, we're trying to get in full gear. But overall, I think life's pretty good. It's not stressful. I was thinking also, just while driving, I was thinking about, man, all the shit I've been through while starting the business from the very beginning, just looking back and seeing how much has happened and how much I've grown is pretty insane. I mean, if you look at the very beginning, we had some massive losses, massive mistakes. I mean, we bought a whole machine, it freaking broke like after 2 months. So we just like, we don't even want it. So fighting that, oh man, all the adventures. But yeah, we've grown a lot, man. Grown quite a bit. Anyways, at least It's a beautiful day. I'm very grateful. I'm very happy. So I'll see you guys back at the studio. I'll take my cold shower and we'll follow it up with some cold shower thoughts. So see you guys there. Back home. It's 6:40. I never took a cold shower today, so I gotta take my cold shower now. It's gonna suck. I hate taking evening cold showers. Let's get it done. Stay tuned for after cold shower thoughts. See you in a bit. Cold shower done. I don't even know what number it is anymore. Oh, I think it's 39. Oh my god. Whew. Evening cold showers suck. Tomorrow morning I gotta shave and everything too. What are my thoughts for today? Don't really have much to say. But I do think that it's just been, you gotta roll with the punches and just make the best of life. That's about it. It's just so many ups and downs. I mean, there's people that are doing better than you, that are younger than you, and people that are doing worse than you, that are older than you, and everybody's kind of going on their own path, and whatever path you're on, you just gotta make the best of it. And just keep rolling with the punches and just getting stronger, getting better, and that's about it. I mean, I chose a difficult path to follow right now. My financial situation is difficult, but I'm dealing with it. I'm going, and I know I'll achieve a success eventually. And everybody else is on their journey too. Yeah, I'm gonna make some nice hot noodles, eat some dinner, and then work a little bit on the business, and then go to sleep. Overall, very productive day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.